and welcome. You are watching Polymerupdate TV, the world's only TV network with a free petrochemicals news show with Simran, Choudhary and Pratiksha, Karkera.
Our special news reel today is sponsored by Pune-based Rumours International Private Limited.
Let's start with energy news. Crude futures inched higher on Tuesday after an industry report showed an unexpected decline in US crude inventories.
Brent finished at $81.41, up 63 cents per barrel, while WTI traded at $71.92, up 14 cents per barrel.
According to Vandana Hari of Vanda Insights, crude futures were mildly higher early Wednesday in Asia, with a further potential upside through the day after the American Petroleum Institute reported a surprise decline in weekly US crude inventories and stock markets across the region had opened in the green, taking a cue from a recovery in equities in the West.
The API report was providing a relatively bigger lift to WTI than Brent in the early hours of trading.
Open spec naphtha prices on Tuesday declined by $5 per metric ton to the $685 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels.
Moving on to the Asian market update for PP, PE and PVC. In PP, despite weaker demand trends and bearish PP futures on the Dalian Commodity Exchange in China, PP prices in the Far East and Southeast Asian regions remain steady.
In India, PP prices were also assessed stable this week. Buying trends were reported as quiet in the region.
In PE this week, HDPE prices declined by $5 to $25 per metric ton in the Far East and Southeast Asian regions.
The price fall was in line with bearish upstream energy and ethylene values coupled with persistent weaker regional demand trends.
In India, prices of HDPE slipped by $5 to $10 per metric ton. The price drop was on the back of ample product avails and poor regional buying sentiments.
LDPE prices in Far East Asia were assessed steady this week. Regional buying trends were reported as dull.
In Southeast Asia, prices of LDPE edged lower by $5 per metric ton on the back of sluggish regional demand trends. LDPE prices in India were assessed stable amid ample product availability.
Despite bearish LLDPE futures on the Dalian Commodity Exchange in China, LLDPE prices in the Far East and Southeast Asian regions remain steady.
In India, LLDPE prices this week inched lower by $5 per metric ton, falling on the back of plentiful product avails coupled with persistent weaker demand trends.
In PVC, prices in China, Southeast Asia and India drifted lower by $10 to $20 per metric ton this week.
Prices fell mainly on account of lower import offers from the overseas producers.
Moving on to market rumors, PP, PE and PVC prices are likely to be rolled over by domestic producers today.
Our special news reel today is sponsored by Pune-based Rumours International Private Limited, a supplier of plastic raw materials mainly PVC resin, CPVC compounds and polyethylene.
Polymerupdate wishes all our viewers a happy Dussehra. From me and the team, that's it for this hour. Many thanks for watching.
It's Wednesday, October 17th. Stay tuned to Polymerupdate. Thank you.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/polymerupdate and be sure to click the like button. You can also find us on Twitter at Polymerupdate. For the latest news from the plastics and petrochemicals industry, subscribe to our YouTube channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon.